I've been working on this lovely folksy bird, and it has herringbone stitch here, and I thought, oh, I haven't shown you herringbone stitch, so today we're going to look at herringbone stitch. It's quite straightforward. It is just straight stitches. It's just how they are positioned to get the pattern. Now, you don't have to draw it out when you're using it, but that will, I think it will make it easier in the long run if you take the time to draw it out, the pattern. But you can just get the crosses roughly in the right place without drawing them first, and it would still be herringbone stitch. So we're going to come up and do a cross, but not in the center. So it's kind of a cross at the top and at the bottom. So there we've crossed stitches, and now we're going to come up across again, but this time at the bottom. Go across quite wide. And go back, small stitch space. Cross over your last stitch. And there we go, it's quite easy. Once it's all drawn out for you, it is quite easy. Going in a slight sort of curved pattern on this one. If you were to draw it out, potentially you could draw lines like this. That might be easier than drawing all the X's, and then you know to go up and you're crossing your stitch there, and you're crossing your stitch there. So you don't have to draw all the individual crosses out if you don't want to. There we go, herringbone stitch. Great for borders and slow stitching and part of pattern work in embroidery. And if you want to see this cute bird taking shape, there will be a video on that soon.